What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best Samsung tablet for gaming of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Tablet. Discover a device that brings entertainment and productivity together seamlessly. Designed with a stunning 11-inch TFT LCD screen boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1200, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and 480 nits of brightness, this tablet ensures a vibrant and engaging viewing experience for videos, games, and family activities. Whether it's streaming your favorite shows or keeping the kids entertained, the expansive display makes every moment enjoyable. Elevate your audio experience with quad speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, delivering rich, immersive sound that transforms your media into a cinematic experience. From music to movies, every sound is crystal clear and dynamic. Backed by a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 69 processor and a choice between 4GB RAM with 64GB storage or 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, this device can handle your multitasking needs effortlessly. Plus, with up to 1TB expandable storage, there's ample room for all your favorite apps, files, and media. Multitasking is a breeze with the ability to run multiple apps simultaneously. Switch between browsing the internet, answering emails, or jotting down notes without missing a beat. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus Plus. Experience the future of technology with a tablet that redefines versatility and performance. Powered by advanced AI, this device revolutionizes how you interact with your digital world. Seamlessly search with enhanced capabilities, let transcript assistants handle your note-taking needs, and enjoy automatic formatting for clearer summaries. Photo editing becomes effortless, enabling you to create stunning visuals directly on your tablet. Unleash unparalleled power with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, the most robust processor ever featured in this lineup. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this tablet handles it all with lightning-fast efficiency, ensuring an unparalleled user experience. Dive into a visual feast on the 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With intense colors, deep contrasts, and vision booster technology, it adapts to any lighting condition, making every image and video appear vivid and lifelike. This screen is a gateway to brilliance that elevates every interaction. Durability meets sophistication with an armor aluminum frame that protects against bumps and bruises. This tablet is also IP68 rated for water and dust resistance, allowing you to take it anywhere with confidence. It's one of the few tablets that can truly stand up to the elements, offering reliability wherever you go. Designed to inspire creativity, this sleek device boasts ultra-slim bezels and a refined armor aluminum finish for a minimalist, modern aesthetic. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Elevate your everyday experience with a tablet designed to seamlessly balance fun and functionality. With an included S Pen, it's never been easier to take notes, edit photos and videos, or annotate documents effortlessly. The slim and lightweight design ensures that this tablet fits perfectly into your bag, making it an ideal companion for work, play, or travel. Available in stylish colors, including a refreshing mint option, its modern aesthetics match its high-performance capabilities. Enjoy stunning visuals on the crystal-clear display, complemented by immersive Dolby Atmos surround sound. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or diving into thrilling games, the experience is elevated by a powerful processor that ensures smooth performance. Turn productivity up a notch with Samsung DeX, which transforms your device into a desktop-like workstation. Manage multiple windows, control connected Galaxy devices, and multitask like a pro. This tablet is built to keep you efficient without compromising on fun. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. Immerse yourself in entertainment and productivity with a versatile tablet that combines sleek design, powerful features, and exceptional performance. Its 8.7-inch WXGA Plus TFT display delivers vibrant visuals with smooth motion, thanks to a 60 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a captivating experience whether you're streaming your favorite shows or exploring creative projects. With Android 13 and One UI 5.1, navigating and multitasking is seamless, enhancing both efficiency and enjoyment. Equipped with a MediaTek Helio G99 processor and 4 GB of RAM, this device ensures smooth performance, even when juggling multiple tasks. The 64 GB internal storage provides ample space for your apps, photos, and videos, and for those who need more, it supports expandable storage of up to 1 TB via microSD. Its 5100 mAh battery offers reliable power to keep up with your daily demands, while USB Type-C connectivity ensures fast charging and data transfer. Capture memorable moments with the 8MP autofocus rear camera and stay connected through video calls using the 2MP front camera. Dual 1.0W speakers provide immersive 3D audio, enriching your media consumption with clarity and depth. Designed for productivity, the split-screen feature lets you work across 2 apps simultaneously, making it perfect for multitasking. With Wi-Fi-only connectivity and Bluetooth 5.3, it's an ideal companion for home and on-the-go use. Its sleek design, bright display, and robust performance make it a reliable tool for work, learning, and play, keeping you connected and entertained effortlessly. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Unleash your creativity and productivity with a premium tablet designed to meet your every need. Its expansive 12.4-inch display provides ample space to explore your passions, from learning new skills to enjoying your favorite videos in stunning clarity. Dual speakers elevate the experience, delivering immersive sound that complements the vibrant visuals. Whether you're streaming, studying, or sketching, this device has you covered. Built for adventure and everyday life, its IP68 rating ensures it's resistant to water and dust, making it one of the most durable tablets on the market. Perfect for on-the-go lifestyles, it can handle splashes and rough environments with ease. The powerful Exynos chipset ensures smooth performance, allowing you to multitask effortlessly, whether you're working through a to-do list or indulging in a cooking show marathon. Never worry about running out of power. With a long-lasting battery that delivers up to 20 hours of usage, you'll have plenty of time to stay productive or entertained. Plus, super fast charging means you're back to full power in less than 90 minutes. This sleek and lightweight device is more than just functional, it's a statement of style. Its refined design reflects your taste and makes it easy to take anywhere. Advanced features like Circle to Search with Google let you instantly find what you need, from shopping inspiration to quick recipe searches, by simply circling items on the screen. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.